Hello everyone. This question has been taken from Irodov, Fundamental Equation of Dynamics, question number 69. The question says a bar of mass m resting on a smooth horizontal plane starts moving due to the force F is equal to mg by 3 of constant magnitude. So this bar is resting on this smooth plane and force F is applied on it. This force is constant in the magnitude. This is in the process of its rectilinear motion. When the bar starts moving in this direction, in the horizontal direction on horizontal plane, the angle alpha between the direction of this force, this angle alpha between the direction of this force and the horizontal varies as alpha is equal to a into s as per this equation, where a is constant. A is a constant and s is the distance traversed by the bar from its initial position. So question is asking find the velocity of the bar as a function of angle alpha. Means what is happening here? Angle alpha is changing with this equation. So when you put s is equal to 0, means at initial position when the bar starts moving, s was 0, so angle alpha was 0, means force was in this direction. So let us solve this question. So here I have made the diagram for you guys to understand that t is equal to 0 when alpha was 0, the force was in this direction, and force magnitude of the force is always constant mg by 3 because there is no variable in it. Okay, but only thing what is happening during the process of traveling of this bar, the direction of the force is changing, and that direction of the force, the angle through which it is changing is depending on this equation. Alpha is equal to a into s, means more the s, higher the alpha, because a is constant. So for your convenience, so in the question it is given mass of the bar is equal to m, force applied F is equal to mg by 3, so it is constant in magnitude. Only thing, the force direction is changing with angle alpha, which is represented as equation alpha is equal to a into s. Okay, so what is to find velocity of the bar as a function of alpha? So I've given a write-up here for you guys to understand in a better way. The applied force F is changing in direction, but its magnitude remains same. Let us assume that after time t, the bar has moved a distance s. See, t is equal to 0, it was here, t is equal to 2, it is here, and the distance traveled is s. And the force at this t is equal to 2 is making an angle alpha, that is equal to a into s as per this equation, right? And let us assume that at this location at t is equal to 2, its velocity was v. Okay, so we will apply the Newton's law of motion at time t on this bar in the horizontal direction. So in the horizontal direction, which force is acting? The component of force F is acting, that is F cos alpha. Okay, so F cos alpha. So in this direction, what was the acceleration at t is equal to t time? We can represent at m into dv by dt. Acceleration basically I have written as dv by dt directly here. Okay, you know that acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time, right? Now alpha is a function of s, right? And we do not have anything on the left side with t, or in this equation any t, so we have to eliminate t. So for eliminating t, what we have done, we have multiplied and divided by ds. So it has become dv by ds into ds by dt, and now we know that the rate of change of displacement at time is velocity v. So we have got this equation. So after shuffling the equations, we got this g by 3 cos as into ds is equal to v dv. So integrate both sides. G by 3 is constant, so we have kept it outside. Cos AS ds we are integrating. S is varying from 0, t is equal to 0, it was at 0. S at t is equal to t, it was at distance s, so we have written s. And on the right side, v dv, and initially when the bar was here, velocity was 0. So 0 to v and t is equal to 2, we are assuming that its velocity has become v, which we are notating by v basically, you should say. So upon integration, you will get this equation, and finally you will get v is equal to square root of 2g by 3 into sine as. If we replace a into s by alpha, we will get square root of 2g by 3 into sine alpha. So this will be your final answer. So it is basically a simple mathematics you have to apply. Idea is alpha is a function of s on the left side. On the right side, we have got two variables, that is, one is velocity v and one is the time, t time. But there is no relation between v or t or s is given. So what we will do, that we will try to eliminate dt. For eliminating dt, we have multiplied and divided by ds, and we got this equation. So here you got, see, v, one variable v and the other variable s on the left side, so you can easily integrate it. So hopefully you understood the concept behind solving it. If you have any questions, please do write in the comment box. I will explain. Thank you.